Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, in our incubation center, IIT Chennai, very famous, Sengovin having research center. Students, if you have an idea, you promote through your incubation or innovation council, then take that idea into competition level. Today, based on your institution coordinator interest, I will send one idea box related things to you. This is a gift from my side. You promote your idea through them. If you have a suitable, you can get prize money or two important things. Next level, if your idea is becoming a business, they will take care. Anyway, I'll discuss with Satish sir and Punitha madam related to this. Then I will send the pamphlets for that. One more thing, if you have a suitable idea, how to transfer into product, that is a very big culture. Your institution innovation council will take care of this. Next slide, sir.
Sir, next slide.
Madam, shall I take another 10 more minutes?
Yes, sir, sure, sir, sure, sir. You can take no problem.
We have a curve, performance versus stress. Mechanical students understand stress strain curve. Similar to that, stress versus performance. Optimum stress will give always best outcome. Best outcome. This is from the research side. Next slide. Next slide, please, sir. Next. Finally, okay, please. What is innovation? Innovation happens when you improve an existing device or process into significant contribution. Now see the level from the landline phone to now we have Android cell phone, Apple, iPhone. What are the major changes, development, incremental development in each and every steps? Most of the students last 16 to 18 months, they are completely writing examination, even they are doing everything through cell phone. So converting a knowledge into wealth is called innovation. The purpose of education now, taking the innovation into product, solve the society problem, get back satisfaction, happiness, and money. This is the purpose of education. We are in the engineering institution. We have current technology, cutting edge technology, taking that idea through that knowledge of engineering or technology, make it different process or product. For that, what are the important requirement? Next slide, sir. Next. Very nice. Please, present problem. I will give important present. Previous slide. Yes. So take your education. Our India, agri-based country previously, now only we have industrial revolution. The India agri-based country. In the agri-based country, what is the problem? The present problem in the society. Even though it's agri-based country, the people are not even having a nutritious food. What is the reason behind it? Around 200 countries participating for finding how many people are under hunger. They call hunger index. The hunger index, how to find hunger index, being graduate students, please go to Google search, find how to find the hunger index. The children in our India, how they are celebrating, how they are doing, how they are taking their food. Based on the world hunger index issue, our country plays 114. 120 considered country, Our rank is 114. That is a major problem. In the society, not even we don't have nutritious food. Our Indians, please, next slide. Karthikeyan, next slide.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Next slide. Yes. Students, because of malnutrition, previous slide, please, that's, keep 1 minute. Previous, this slide, the hunger index reflecting in the each face of the children. Look here, they don't have nutritious food. What is the problem behind it? Where is the technology? Automotive engineering, aeronautical engineering, biotechnology. Children, please look here. Next slide. They are waiting for midday meals. One social entrepreneurship, Annapurna, they are serving, doing some important work for North India. They are taking few districts, they are serving food, midday meals, they are giving nutritious food. Please, faculty members and students of this institution, see the students' face, how they are eagerly watching the midday meals van. Today, please visit the website, two important websites, social entrepreneurship. In the Google video search, social entrepreneurship, Annapurna, another one, social enterprises in our state, Aravind Eye Hospital, Pondicherry, now even at Chennai. They are doing lot of work for poor people, needy people, social enterprises. The purpose of social entrepreneurs, social enterprises, solving the social problem without profit making. The return back as money. The purpose of education, or Professor Punida expressed this title, the enjoying the purpose of education, how? Do something to our society, return back. Dear students, what you are going to do for these children? With your education, optical communication, particularly information technology, computer science, core industry, how they will solve the present problem. The simple, nutritious food, not even our own brother, sons are not having that same. Before going to afternoon meal, please think of this. Next slide. Hunger index. Out of 117 country, our level is 102. We are doing some rocket science, but we are not able to solve the problem of hunger. What is the purpose of doing rocket science? I don't know. Please give important for agri-based business. The hunger index 102 out of 117 country in the year 2019. Now slightly reduced. It comes to 105, slightly happy. So where we are, please think, what is the reason behind it? Before that, find out to calculate hunger index. Next slide, please. This is the important way. The hunger index, how our people are suffering. Do some scientific thought, innovation. You change the world like this. Please, next slide. One important kural from Thiruvalluvar. Uludundu வாழ்வாரே வாழ்வார் மற்றெல்லாம் தொழுதுண்டு பின் செல்வார். Give important for agri-based business, agri-based innovation. Next. Next. Because of innovation, the children face will change into like this. What are the innovative kind of things we will do? Please do it. It make everything. Please do innovative kind of thing for our own social problem. Now another 5 minutes we will discuss with the student. Student, can you express present problem in your society? One or two problem we will discuss. Students, come forward. Please explain your problem in the society. What is the present problem in the society? How we can solve? Anybody? Come for discussion.
Student.
Explain
Sir,
one
ask
or two
you.
points.
Kindly ask.
Present problem in the society. If we identify a problem, we will discuss. Then, what is the next level? How can solve this problem? Anybody having doubt or otherwise come forward to discuss any problem?
Students, if you have any query, please kindly ask now.
Okay, no issue. The purpose of education, if you are taking this subject, engineering, first one is education important. You are reading, you are studying your core paper with suitable author's reference book. That is a base. If you are completing this, we have 5 different stages our faculty member already explained. Number one, remembrance stage. If you are studying something, you have to recollect, remember something. Then do it for understanding level. Understand that equation, understand the definition. Then where we can apply all those things. Remembrance, understanding, then where we can apply all those things. I am applying this Ohm's law in this level. Where can I take? This is a application level. Fourth level is analysis level. If I am applying this, how can I make it as a profitable? How can I make it as a energy level? How can I think for next level of productivity? Analysis. Finally, evaluation. If I am all those things we are doing, how can I evaluate into next level? This is the purpose, the root of education. Only taking 2 marks question, solving the equation, writing, drawing this diagram, getting grade. This is not very big achievement. If you are taking into next level of application, evaluation, even analysis, that makes sense. This is the purpose of education. If you are doing in the top level of pyramid, I mean application, analysis, evaluation, if you are doing the top level of pyramid, definitely you will come for entrepreneurial activity. For last thing, 2 words, I want to conclude this innovation, education and innovation. 4 E's I want to give. Number one, education. You are doing suitable degree at a famous college. Very good. This is a gift from your parents' side. Then do some experience during your summer holidays, winter vacation. Enter into some industry or incubation center or very small company, even for startup company. Do some experiment. That is secondly, education experience. Third one is empathy. Empathy, understand others' feeling. If you understand others' feeling, definitely you go for helping. If you are going for helping, innovation will start. Finally, ethics. Without ethics, nothing will be in your hand. 4E, dear students, please remember one is education, number two, experience, number three, empathy, number four, ethics. With that, I like to conclude my discussion on education and innovation. Once again, I thank the institution, management, principal, fellow faculty members, staff, and beloved students for listening few words related to education and innovation. My special thanks to Professor Dr. Punita and Satish sir for organizing this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I call upon Miss C. Meena, Assistant Professor, Maths Department, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude. Gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. On behalf of M.A.M School of Engineering CSE Department, I take this opportunity to everyone who are all involved in this webinar. First of all, I wish to thank our management and principal sir for their continuous support. I extend my thanks to our today's webinar speaker, Dr. S. Ilayavel sir, Incubation Manager, TBI, Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Chennai, to take our time from his busy schedule to grace to this event. Thank you, sir. I extend my thanks to HODs and faculties of various departments for their presence. Last but not least, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. A. Punita, for providing
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
ma'am, you are not audible, ma'am. Meena, ma'am.
I, I think she has completed, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Sir, 11, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Meena.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, shall we wind up the session, ma'am?
Thank you.
Sir, 11, sir.
Please, madam,
Sir,
please.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable information, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
thank you
sir.
so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Is it worthwhile?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Because without the importance of educations and innovations, so everything is new to us. And similarly, you have said many things about incubations. So we'll think of it, sir. Definitely, we'll try
Sure,
to.
sure. Please take these words to your top mode management, discuss with the
Definitely.
incubation.
Definitely, with your guidance,
Are you having
definitely we'll.
EDC, Entrepreneurship Development Center?
Yes, sir. Sir, we have a EDC cell, sir.
Very good, very good. Which is
And we
supported
have
by
a
DST.
successful entrepreneurs in our from our institution also. We have a students who are successful entrepreneurs.
Okay, good, good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, all the participants. Thank you so much. You can leave from the meeting. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. A webinar on education and organized by Institutions Innovation Council and Department of Computer Science and Engineering of M.A.M School of Engineering. I glad to welcome today's speaker, Dr. S. Ilayavel sir, Incubation Manager, Technology Business Incubator from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Chennai. And I welcome beloved Chairman, respected Principal, all department HODs, and all faculties and dear students. Now I welcome Dr. A. Punita, Head of the Department of Mechatronics Engineering, to give you an introduction of today's speaker. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Dr. S. Ilevi, Incubation Manager, TBI, Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Chennai. Sir has completed his BE in Mechanical Engineering and a ME in Mechanical Design, and he has completed his PhD in the domain of in the area of interest of metal cutting coatings, manganese phosphate coating, and tribology machining. Uh, Sir has got more than he has supported more entrepreneurs to bring out in the incubation, and he has supported a lot of areas and lot of informations in the incubation site in the Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. He has more than 25 years of experience, and he has got more funds in the areas of research from DST also. Welcome you, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, madam.
And
Thank you. Thank you.
the session is to you, sir.
Thank you. Madam, shall we start?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Very
Can I
good
share
morning.
my screen?
Yes, sir. Satish, sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So can I share PPT or a PDF, sir?
After 5 minutes, after 5 minutes.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Very good morning, one and all present here. My sincere gratitude to M.A.M. School of Engineering Management, Chairman, Secretary, Treasurer, Principal of the graced institution, fellow faculty members, staff, and beloved students. Today, our M.A.M. School of Engineering celebrating National Education Day 2021. This webinar is organizing by Innovation Council, Institution Innovation Council, and Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Innovation Council initiated by our MHRD. The main objective of this cell promoting the students, especially in the undergraduate level, particularly in the innovation to incubation. Today, another 40 minutes, we will discuss education and innovation. Students studying the different department in our famous M.A.M. School of Engineering, computer science, information technology, electronics communication, mechanical engineering, biotechnology, various branches. The end of the education after 4 years, they may be in colorful life in the higher education, maybe M.Tech, MBA or PhD, integrated level. Or familiar, our institution, M.A.M. School of Engineering is very good in placement. So they may concentrate on placement, maybe in core company or software-based company. Very good salary. That also outcome of this institution. One more area now, particularly state and central government initiating, third one is entrepreneurship. There is a big issue, big major challenges in the placement. Your institution successfully doing all those things. Very proud to say this. The end of the education, the student outcome in 3 different major platforms. One is higher studies. Our institution, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, promoting our student to higher study, particularly in higher studies at foreign countries, top 100 rank in the world level. We are very proud to say this. Especially in US, our children are studying in different domain. I am particularly in the mechanical engineering. Our students studying in the industrial engineering and material science. USA, University of Austin, our maximum students are doing their beautiful degree in industrial engineering. This is one way of outcome of our institution. Next, immediately our institution close with the Chennai city. So students are going for next one is a placement with huge salary. Nowadays, average salary between 9.5 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. It's a great. After 21 years, the boys and girls are coming with a suitable salary. That also achievable. Third one is entrepreneurship. Our institution, Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, started the entrepreneurial activity in the year 2000. 2002, we received a grant from Department of Science and Technology in the heading Entrepreneurship Development Center. With that center, we have conducted many programs, particularly for students, awareness camp. What is entrepreneurship? Why we want to go to entrepreneurship? What are the major thrust area involving in entrepreneurship? Particularly for M.A.M. School of Engineering students, the students from engineering side more closely to entrepreneurship, because our students in the engineering level, they are transferring science technology into application side. This is possible only from our side because we are in the engineering institution. That's why our Satishar mentioned TBI. Our Madam Punitha Madam also mentioned TBI, technology based incubator. This is possible only from engineering and technology institution. That's why our government of India, Department of Science and Technology, initiating technology based incubator, particularly for engineering and science graduate colleges. So this is not possible for other institutions from commerce and science side because we are transferring science into application. The transformation where will start? It starts from education. Professor Punitha introduced the title Education and Innovation. Yesterday, Madam discussed about the title Education and Innovation. Even though I am in my native place, I readily accepted this title. The purpose of education, you understand. When you are taking your science, engineering knowledge into innovation, make it to purpose into solving problem in the society. Reback getting again satisfaction or money or both. Taking your optical communication, education. Today, what is the present problem? List the problem. At present, the M.A.M. School of Engineering is located at Trichy. With that place, what are the present problem in the society? The purpose of education. Only one line, I will complete the purpose of education. Previously, we are doing a lot of research. We are making into article. Your professor, well known, they are publishing many paper in the suitable journal, high impact factor journal. Our institution, M.A.M. School of Engineering, is affiliated to Anna University. We have the journal 2 category, list of journal, list 1, list 2. So top list in the list 1, they are publishing. Very good. Based on that, what is the outcome? From the laboratory to paper journal, previously professors are doing. For that, they are getting benefit in terms of promotion, professor, head of the department, or principal are coming suitable salary or incentive, whatever. This is last 10 years. Now the present scenario is changing. Doing research in the laboratory, taking into journal level, that is good. Once again, furthermore step, take into that into society. Laboratory into paper. Previous. Now the scenario is changing. Laboratory into street. For that, engineering graduates from the student level, take the problem from the society. In your road, in your village, in your area, in your institution, what is the present problem? Identify the problem, list the problem. If you have a list, which one is suitable for solving the problem based on your technology, particularly mechanical engineering. They are doing strength of material, thermal engineering, design of machine elements, automation, robotics. How we can solve the present street problem by this thing? If you have an idea, your innovation council take that idea into next level. Our professors, coordinator of innovation council, having a various steps to take the idea into prototype. They will give a teaching, learning, everything for idea promotion. Then if you have an idea is promoted into prototype, next step, Government of Tamil Nadu, Entrepreneurship Development Innovation Institute, EDII Tamil Nadu, which is located at Ekad Kangal, Chennai. They are having a lot of facility to taking the prototype into product. They will fund, that is a grant. For that, for student level, they are introducing 2 schemes. One is voucher, innovation voucher A. For that, if idea is suitable, commercially viable, they will give 2 lakhs as a grant. Student can take the 2 lakhs they can develop a product. If the product is once again suitable for society, they will release another 5 lakhs. What is the benefit of this? The students, they are studying in the famous college, M.A.M. School of Engineering. The graduate, they are coming outside suitable. During the time of learning, faculty members are doing mini project and final year project. If you are taking a problem from the society, getting grant from the EDA Tamil Nadu in the form of voucher A and voucher B, taking the problem and solving the social issue, then can take into business. What is the benefit? If the students is particularly concerned with the innovation, product development, definitely he will come into entrepreneur. Or otherwise, with that knowledge, when they are entering to the education or employment, definitely they will achieve. If you are developing a product, the Tata consultancy coming and conducting some interview, definitely they will take care. Meanwhile, one day, with my faculty fellow members, we have a very big team, 9 members team, and we have 3 managers in our institution. We will conduct one 3 hours program for faculty development program, 3 hours for particularly faculty. They will give a how to make the student in innovative culture. We will do that. Meanwhile, if you have a grant from EDA Tamil Nadu, definitely they will promote you into next level. Because of that, the student can enter into entrepreneurial culture and coming into business. If you are taking 100 students to placement, this is possible, really great. If you are entering into entrepreneurship, 10 students, then each 10 entrepreneur giving job for 100 members is converted to 1,000. Next, another 4-5 years, Government of India, Government of Tamil Nadu, AICT, every NAC, NBA, they will appreciate only for incubation. So, I'll give suitable suggestion for our M.A.M. School of Engineering. Immediately start entrepreneurial development cell and incubation center for our children for next level. Now I request Professor Satish to present few slides from PDF. My slide from PDF. Professor Satish.
Yes, sir.
Please.
Sir, can I share PPT, sir?
Share. Sir, is it possible for another one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. Thank you. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Next slide. Yes, content page. Make it full screen, please.
Sir, full screen la sir irukke.
Full screen, right? Full screen. Sir, now I am just disturbing. Once again, I'll go and once again I'll come back because I want to see the screen. Because in my native place with the small cell phone from my sister's son, I am doing this program. Sorry, 1 minute. Great. Okay. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thanks, madam. Thanks, sir. Another few minutes, I'll introduce what is innovation, then how it is transformed to entrepreneurship, then come to what is education, the purpose of education. In our Indian bank, there is a word, very good logo, everything for everybody, banking for all. Most of the Indian bank, the villagers, Nurunal Velai Vaipu Thittam. They are coming and taking their amount from the Indian bank. Really, the transformation of knowledge. Most of the people having a ATM card now. The facilities created by Indian bank, really appreciable. Our engineering and technology goes to street by street. Everyone, every country, people enjoy that optical communication, everything. Now, what is innovation? What is the type? Need of innovation. Present social problem, one or two I will define, then our children will take remaining problem, then how to complete entrepreneurship. Before going to innovation, business and entrepreneurship, please identify. Business, if I am taking the present business in my native place, Kanjipuram, Cheyyar, we have a lot of textile shop. If I am opening the similar textile shop with a suitable Paytm or any transfer facility, the same thing I am doing even online also, the business margin may be very, very less because my brothers also doing the similar business in my street. If I am doing the same thing, the margin is very less. There is a big competition. Even though we have a very good market, the competition is very high. The people living in this street around 1,000 members made, the 1,000 members only coming here. If I am not doing this, my brother will do this. The business, similar kind of thing, same Xerox shop, same juice shop. There is no very big difference. So margin is very, very less because the price fixing by the market. Price fixing by the market. Now, if you introduce the innovation in your product, if you are doing innovation kind of thing, you are a boss, you are a monopoly, you are going to fix the price for the product. Do some innovation kind of product, then you are a owner, brand it, then you come here, suitable life. Next slide, sir. Next slide. First, we will see what is innovation. Next. The famous management scientist Jeffrey defined the innovation. The innovation means increase the revenue, reduce the cost, or increase revenue and reduce the cost both. Do something, do some innovative, creative idea. Because of that, you can improve your revenue. How will revenue will improve? Based on the quality improvement, cost reduction. Initially, if you are introducing a price, the cost of the price is very, very low. If you are introducing some new concept, changing some suitable material, methodology, improving the productivity, the cost will come down. This is possible. This is a Jeffrey statement. Implementation of creative idea in order to generate value, usually through increased revenue, reduced cost. Another one more definition, please, sir. Next slide. Mike Shipilsky. Work that deliver new goodness, new customer in new market to improve the profitable equation. The education, Professor Punitha introduced the word education and innovation. The purpose of education, do some goodness to the society, return back, get it as a happiness, satisfaction, and economy development. This is a profitable equation. The purpose of education is fulfilled. You are doing computer science, you are developing something, understanding something, you solve the problem of society, then you are coming to get as a satisfaction or back money. Next slide, sir. This is my important slide, Process of Innovation by Swami Vivekananda. It's a great thing. If possible, I'll give 2 minutes time. Please note down in your notebook. It will change your life. This is a life-changing time. Enjoy the education and innovation. Swami Vivekananda delivered a quote, take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscle, nose, every part of your body be full of that idea. And just live every idea alone. This is a way to success. Most of the entrepreneurs doing some innovation. I will simply differentiate business and innovation entrepreneurial activity now. Business, similar kind of things. Reliance, they are doing business. Tata, entrepreneur. Tata being I am a mechanical engineering, I want to quote example from engineering steel side, mechanical engineering, Tata Steel. They are developing a steel particularly for construction industry. What is the innovation behind here? They are developing a steel that alloy, they are adding some micro alloying element, niobium. Because of the micro element, the strength of the steel is improved with lesser cost. The technology behind steel they are having. That is the secret of Tata. The tensile strength of the steel is improved by adding micro alloy. Micro alloy means very, very small amount of alloying element. Niobium less than 0.75. Lesser than 0.5, lesser than 0.75, this amount of microalloy improving the strength of the steel. That is an innovation. That innovation kind of thing is promoting their business. This is not possible for all others. So engineers are doing some innovation kind. That's why they are having a separate research center. One important thing I want to convey now in our Tamil Nadu IIT Tech Park, Indian Institution of IIT Madras, they are having a technology park, the world famous tech park in our country, in our state at Chennai. They are doing a lot of business incubation. They are having particularly mechanical engineering, manufacturing side, battery, life science, healthcare. So please visit the website, Google search IIT Tech Park. First world famous tech park is IIT Tech Park. Sengobian having a research center at that level of incubation. What they are doing in the incubation center? Professors from IIT with their own technology laboratory, they are serving the society through some private party.